I want to show you their basket, what's inside their basket for Easter. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joby May. Hello guys, good afternoon. Yes guys, I didn't vlog for many days or weeks guys. Yeah, because I am busy, and today I am preparing the kids Easter basket, and today is Saturday and tomorrow is Sunday. Yes, so I am now in a hurry. So I have my baskets. I have the baskets here. Yes, you can see that. And this one. Yes, I also have these for the kids. Yes, everyone. This one. Yes, one for Lakota and one for Haley. So when they go and find the eggs tomorrow, yes, they will have a basket. So I am in our bedroom and the kids are downstairs with my husband and my father-in-law, and I closed the door guys, so they don't know what I am doing in here. So I have this for Haley. This is for Haley. Yeah, so guys, I will prepare everything and I will show you, okay? And guys, I bought these plastic eggs. There are 36 eggs in total guys, with small toys as you can see here. Yes, I bought this on Amazon. So I'm going to put all these toys inside, so tomorrow they will have eggs to go and hunt. So guys, I also bought shoes for them, one for Haley and one for Lakota, and this is for Haley. Yes, I will show you guys now, because when I will put in the basket, I will put with the box guys. That's why I'm showing it to you now. So this is for Haley. Ayan, tapos may ilaw siya guys. Yeah, so this is for her, and hopefully she will love it. Yeah, so this is for Haley, and this one is for Lakota. This one is so cute guys. Yes, look. So this is for Lakota guys. Yes, hindi ako kumuha ng, I didn't buy the same for them because Haley needs trainers, this kind of shoes guys, for her everyday use. That's why I didn't buy the same. So all the things that I bought for them guys is for spring. So I lay all the things guys for my kids here. I separated. This one is for Haley and the other side is for Lakota. So I'm going to show you guys the things for Haley, okay, and I will put in her basket, and the same with Lakota. So first I have these jeans for Haley, and this size is small, size 8 guys. Yeah, so this is size 8 for her. So ayan guys, and also with belt. And I also like this one guys. I also like the bottom because it is garterized, so it's very nice on her, I'm sure. Okay, and I also bought this beautiful dress for her. It's quite big. It's quite big, but I'm sure she will use it in the future if she cannot use this time. I also have this long sleeve shirt for her, and yeah, I love the color, and the size is 11 to 13 years. OMG. I got this one guys. I took this one because the material is very soft. It is 100% cotton. That is why guys I took this one for her. And the print, I also like the print because it is embroidered. And another one for Haley is this. Yes, and it says love. It says lovely day. Yeah, and the size of this one is 7 to 8, and it's also cotton. That is why, guys, can you see? It's so beautiful. Yeah. So I couldn't resist not to take for her that one. Another one is this. Let's rock it. And the size of this one is also 7 to 8. Yes, and the same thing, guys, the material is 100% cotton and it is very soft. And because, you know, we are in spring, so I got this for her. And because sometimes it's very hot, just like the first days of summer, but we are still in spring, so I'm sure she can use that. Yes, because we are not so sure about the weather yet, because they said that next week Tuesday the weather will drop down a little bit, that's why. And another one is this here. This one, the size is also 8, and I love it because it has beads in here. Yes, small beads, and it says Louis jeans. Yes, so this is a Spanish brand, guys, this Louis jeans. And I also bought this denim jacket for Hailey. Yeah, I saw it and oh my gosh, this is so cute. I want one for me too, but they have not size because the shop that I went is, you know, kids clothes shop. I don't have denim jacket for my size. Yeah, but isn't it cute? It is really so cute with sequins in here, reversible sequins, as you can see it. Yeah. And yeah, as in, ang ganda niya, guys. Ang ganda ng quality. Yes, ganyan. And it has this button. Yeah, and the back is like this. Yes, so yeah. And I bought a book for her as well, guys, this one. Yes, so this is the book. I bought this one on Amazon, and luckily it arrived earlier than I expected. And this book is called Springtime Stories. Yes, so there's 30 stories. 30 stories. Yeah, there's 30 stories in there. Includes about Easter. That is why, guys. The surprising is the egg. That is why, guys, I bought this one for Hailey, because Hailey loves reading. Okay, so that's for Hailey. Aside from the shoes, I put the shoes in there, and also she has chocolates. And let's move on to Lakota's, okay? Alright, so aside from Lakota's shoes that I showed you earlier, I also got a book for her, and it's called Poppy and Sam's Easter Egg Hunt. So yeah, it's also about Easter. Yes, about egg hunt. I also bought this one, guys, from Amazon. I also got this coloring book for Lakota because she loves coloring, she loves drawing. So I bought this one for her. And I also bought this, guys, Louis jeans for her as well. One for Hailey and one for Lakota with the short sleeve. Yes. And yeah, this is so beautiful. I love it, guys. Yeah, I love it. Look at that spring color. And I also have these, guys, for Lakota for her hair. I hope she will let me. Okay, so I got this for her, this beautiful long sleeve shirt, and all of them are cotton, guys. And another one is here with panda. And the size is 4 to 5. Another one for Lakota. Isn't it cute? Yes, a girl and a rainbow. Yes, be happy. It says be happy. And yes guys, the size is 4 and the material is so soft. And I also got this pants for her. Yes, black pants with the crown in there and garterized and with this string, and the color is black. So that's pretty much it for Lakota, aside from the eggs as well. So I will arrange all this guys. I will put it inside their baskets and then I will add in the eggs. They will go and hunt. I try to do this for my kids every year, but because last year we had not enough space, I think what we did last year was we hide the eggs inside the house, but I didn't make a video on that guys. That was last year, but because this year we have our new place, we have enough space, so I decided to buy this for them. Yes, and also the same basket. So here are the baskets for them, everyone. Yes, it's so cute. The same basket for them. So I'm imagining that they are going to love it. And yeah, it's a good memory for them guys. That is why I prepared everything for them, because I really want my kids happy and remember their Easter. Not only the Easter, but every occasion of their lives. Okay guys, so here are my kids' Easter baskets guys. Parang kunti lang kay Lakota because she has no jacket guys, denim jacket. That is why. Kasi wala akong mahanap guys. Wala akong mahanap na denim na size para sa kanya, kaya hindi ako nakabili. And also her basket, can you see that it is really so cute? Yes guys, so nandito yung yung chocolate niya na unicorn chocolate. And also Kit Kat na ang shape is like rabbit. Yes, as you can see. Ayan. And this is from Kinder Sorpresa with the rabbit shape. And also this chocolate, everyone. Yes, this one. This is small ones. Yeah, can you see the rabbit in there? They're all so cute. And small little rabbits here too. And small eggs. Yeah, this one are small eggs for her. And the same thing, they have the same basket guys, but the only thing is ayaw ni Hailey nito, ayaw niya, so I didn't buy for her. And yeah, the same thing, they have the same things guys. So they have the same as I've said. Ayan guys. So ayan na guys yung kay Lakota. And kasi din, at isa pa, maliit lang yung lagayan ng shoes ni Lakota. And Hailey, malaki. Kaya yun. And itong mga jeans, itong mga denim guys, they are bulky. Kaya ganyan. Yes. So, yes guys, ito na yung mga ng mga bata. Yung mga Easter baskets nila. And I hope that they will be very happy to see their baskets tomorrow. So, this is my first time guys to make their Easter basket. Yes, with presents like this. Normally only eggs. But this time, I want them to, to have beautiful surprise. Kaya yun. So, ayan. Ayan na guys. So once again, thank you very much guys for watching and for supporting our channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. We have so much more coming up. Lilipat na kami very soon, and I'm going to do lots of gardening. Yes guys, so if you are interested in that, please subscribe and keep on watching our videos. And also, yeah, thank you all so much. Thank you all so much for watching guys, from the bottom of my heart. And we have so many videos coming up because we are going to move very soon. We are waiting a little bit, maybe 2 weeks more, because they are painting and rearranging some things guys. That is why it's taking a little bit longer. Yeah, makakapunta din kami sa bago naming tirahan, and come and see our journey, our new life in the farm. Thank you once again. And here are the real eggs that I will mix to this one so they can go and hunt, and I hope they will enjoy it guys.